Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you 5 tips for creating a beautiful and user-friendly website. Check the description for useful content and links. So, let's start the video. In today's digital age, having a website is essential for any business or individual looking to establish an online presence. A website serves as a platform to showcase your products or services, share information about your company, and connect with potential customers or clients. But having a website is not enough. It's important to ensure that your website is well designed and user-friendly. A beautiful and user-friendly website can help you stand out from the competition and establish trust with your audience. It can also improve the overall user experience, making it more likely for visitors to stay on your site longer and take the desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. In this article, we'll share 5 tips for creating a beautiful and user-friendly website. By following these tips, you can ensure that your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate, which will help you attract and retain more visitors. Tip number 1, keep it simple and easy to navigate. Simplicity is key when it comes to web design. A cluttered and complicated website can be overwhelming and confusing for users, causing them to leave the site and look elsewhere. On the other hand, a simple and clean website can make it easy for users to find what they're looking for and navigate the site with ease. So, how can you create a simple and easy to navigate website? Here are a few tips. 1. Keep the layout clean and uncluttered. Use plenty of white space and minimize the number of elements on each page. 2. Use clear headings and subheadings. This will help users quickly scan the page and understand the content. 3. Use bullet points and numbered lists. These make it easy for users to quickly read and understand the content. 4. Use clear and concise language. Avoid using jargon or overly complicated language. 4. Keep it simple and easy to understand. 5. Use a clear and intuitive navigation structure. Make it easy for users to find what they're looking for by organizing your content into logical categories and using descriptive, clear links. By following these tips, you can create a simple and easy to navigate website that will improve the user experience and keep visitors coming back. Tip number 2, use high-quality images and graphics. Visual elements, such as images and graphics, can have a powerful impact on the user experience. High-quality images and graphics can help to engage and draw in the user, making them more likely to stay on the site and explore further. On the other hand, low-quality or poorly chosen images can distract or turn off the user, leading them to leave the site. So, how can you choose and optimize images and graphics for your website? Here are a few tips. 1. Choose relevant and high-quality images. Make sure your images are relevant to your content and of high quality. 1. Blurry or pixelated images can be a turnoff for users. 2. Use alt text. Alt text is a short description of an image that is displayed when the image is not available. 2. This is important for accessibility and for SEO, search engine optimization. 3. Use appropriate file types. Different file types are better for different types of images. 3. For example, JPEG is a good choice for photographs, while PNG is a better choice for graphics with transparent backgrounds. 4. Optimize images for the web. Large image files can slow down your website, so it's important to optimize your images for the web by reducing their file size while maintaining good quality. 4. There are many tools available that can help with this, such as Adobe Photoshop or online tools like TinyPNG. By following these tips, you can use high-quality images and graphics to enhance the user experience and make your website more visually appealing. Tip number 3, choose a color palette that reflects your brand. Color is a powerful tool in web design, as it can help to create a cohesive brand identity and influence the user's emotions and behaviors. Choosing a color palette that reflects your brand can help to establish a visual identity and create a cohesive look and feel for your website. So, how can you create a cohesive color palette for your website? Here are a few tips. 1. Choose a primary color that represents your brand. This color should be the dominant color on your website and should be used consistently throughout. 2. Select secondary colors to complement your primary color. These colors should be used to add visual interest and balance to your website. 3. Use a limited color palette. Too many colors can be overwhelming and create a cluttered look. 3. Choose a limited palette of 2 to 3 primary colors and 2 to 3 secondary colors to keep things simple and cohesive. 4. Consider the meanings of different colors. Different colors can evoke different emotions and associations. 4. For example, blue is often associated with trustworthiness and stability, while red can create a sense of urgency. By following these tips, you can create a cohesive color palette that reflects your brand and helps to create a visually appealing and consistent website. Tip number 4, use responsive design to ensure a seamless experience on all devices. In today's digital age, it's essential for your website to be mobile friendly. With more and more people accessing the internet from their smartphones and tablets, it's important to ensure that your website is optimized for these devices. This is where responsive design comes in. Responsive design is a design approach that ensures that your website looks and functions well on a variety of devices, including desktop computers, tablets, and smartphones. By using responsive design, you can create a seamless user experience across all devices, without the need to create separate versions of your site for each device. So, how can you use responsive design to create a consistent user experience across devices? Here are a few tips. 1. Use flexible grids and layout. Flexible grids allow your website to adjust to the size and resolution of the device it's being viewed on. 1. This ensures that your website looks good and is easy to use on any device. 2. Use responsive images. Responsive images automatically adjust to the size of the device they're being viewed on, ensuring that they look good and load quickly on all devices. 3. Use media queries. Media queries allow you to specify different styles for different devices. 3. This can be useful for adjusting font sizes, layout, and other elements to ensure a seamless user experience across devices. By following these tips, you can use responsive design to create a consistent user experience across all devices, improving the overall user experience and keeping visitors coming back. Tip number 5, include calls to action to guide users through your site. Calls to action, CTAs, are an essential element of web design, as they help to guide users through your website and encourage them to take desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. By including clear and effective CTAs on your website, you can help users navigate your site and take the actions you want them to take. So, how can you use CTAs effectively on your website? Here are a few tips. 1. Make your CTAs prominent and easy to find. CTAs should be prominently displayed and easy for users to find. 1. This can help to increase the chances that users will take the desired action. 2. Use action-oriented language. Use language that clearly communicates the action you want the user to take, such as sign up now or learn more. 3. Use contrasting colors. Use colors that stand out and contrast with the rest of your website to make your CTAs more noticeable. 4. Test different CTAs. It can be helpful to test different CTAs to see which ones are most effective at driving conversions. 4. You can use tools like Google Optimize or AB testing to test different variations of your CTAs. By following these tips, you can use CTAs effectively to guide users through your website and encourage them to take the desired actions. Conclusion. In conclusion, a beautiful and user-friendly website is essential for any business or individual looking to establish an online presence. By following the tips outlined in this article, you can create a visually appealing and easy to navigate website that will help you stand out from the competition and improve the user experience. Some key points to remember include: keep it simple and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and graphics. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand. Use responsive design to ensure a seamless experience on all devices. Include calls to action to guide users through your site. By applying these tips, you can create a beautiful and user-friendly website that will help you attract and retain more visitors. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.